Poll rigging claims, the Congress has now launched a web portal where people can register to demand accountability from the Election Commission against what it called vote chori and express support for the leader of opposition's demand for digital voter rolls. In a post on X in Hindi, Rahul Gandhi said vote theft or vote chori is an attack on the basic democratic principles of one person, one vote, and asserted that a clean voter list is essential for free and fair elections. He further added, and I quote, that our demand from the Election Commission is clear. Show transparency and make the digital voter list public so that the public and political parties can audit it themselves. So this is the message that has come in from Rahul Gandhi. Take a look.
It is critical that we expose voter chori. इस कैंपेन का आप पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए. इट इज क्रिटिकल दैट वी एक्सपोज वोटर चोरी. इस कैंपेन का आप पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए.
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, what is this website that has been launched by the Congress Party? How will it work? Can people put in any questions that they have? How will the website work? What is the idea behind this website being launched by Congress?
Well, the Congress Party is starting this campaign to make aware the people of this country about the allegations which the Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi specifically is putting upon the Election Commission of India, and that is the only reason why Congress Party has launched this new website in which all the details, all these allegations which the Congress Party is making upon the Election Commission is also being mentioned there. All of these, the facts and the figures which Rahul Gandhi had showed in his press conference, all of these details are already being uploaded on that particular website where people can download it, and they can also, check with all this data which is also, which the Congress Party is claiming is available on the website of the Election Commission of India. Not just that, but whoever is going to register in this campaign which the Congress Party had started, he is also going to sign up a declaration and then a certain...
Just a moment to get in a Congress perspective. We have Mr. Manikim Tagore of the Congress joining us. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Manikim Tagore. What was the idea behind launching this website? How will this work?
Yeah, this is a business call on the website will give opportunity for others to also support, because the serious issue about India is the...
Okay, my apologies, Mr. Manikim Tagore. We're not able to hear you. I'll try to fix that line and come back to you in just a moment. But this is a video that has been launched by the Congress Party. Rahul Gandhi is seen in the video. And they have said that anybody can talk about vote chori and extend their support to the Congress. Take a look at the video released by the Congress Party.
Please, it is critical that we expose voter chori. इस कैंपेन का आप पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए. इट इज क्रिटिकल दैट वी एक्सपोज वोटर चोरी. इस कैंपेन का आप पूरा समर्थन कीजिए. प्लीज सपोर्ट दिस कैंपेन फुली. हमारे वेबसाइट पे पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है, डेटा है. आप इस मूवमेंट में शामिल होइए और हिंदुस्तान में जो वोटर चोरी हो रही है उसको रोकने का काम कीजिए.
So this is a video that has been released by the Congress Party. It says that people can talk about vote chori. So once a person registers on the portal, a certificate is then issued in his name which states that he stands against vote chori. Now this certificate will say, I support Rahul Gandhi's demand of digital voter rolls from the EC. The portal also gives the option to the people of calling on a number and then also giving details of what they want to do. But remember, while on one hand, the Congress Party has said that this is their demand for better voter rolls to ensure accountability, the Election Commission, on the other hand, has renewed its sign oath challenge to Rahul Gandhi. Now, sources have told Times Now that EC is very clear. Rahul Gandhi must either submit a declaration supporting his claims or apologize to the nation for spreading false allegations. We are breaking updates now coming in the Bihar Special Intensive Revision controversy. As the case now reaches the Supreme Court, the